Welcome guys, and in this video I'll show you how to make origami rolls. This is a very nice model, and in this video I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make origami rolls. So if you don't want to miss any step and keep watching me, so make sure to stick till the end, and I'll show you how to make origami rolls. So to make an origami rolls, first step is that you need a square sheet, which you can do this. Take this line and align it till here. Like this. Make sure that it's pointed up, and then you'll make a crease. Turn over the paper and do the reverse fold and crease it like this. Tear from here. So after you have completed this step, the next step is to take this point and align up till there. Like this, and then make a crease. After you complete this step, now open it up. Open it up, turn over the sheet, and then fold it in half. Open the sheet, rotate it by 90 degrees, and also fold it in half. Crease. After you have completed this step, the next step is to pinch it, and you will make origami balloon base. So these two lines will line up in the middle like this. Crease from the sides and lower this down. So this is how you make origami balloon base. After you complete this step, the next step is to take this point and align up till there. Crease here. Do the same step over here. After you complete this step, the next step is that, as you can see, there are two pockets over here. Put your finger and open the pockets, and take this point and align up till there, and then crease it. You'll do the same step, follow the same step over here. Open the pocket, line up till the point, and you'll make a crease. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this point and line up till there, like this. Make a crease and do the same step over here. After you have completed this step, the next step is to take this point, line up till there, and we will follow the same step at the back. Point, crease, open the pockets like this. Do the same step over here. Crease, open the pocket, line up till there, like this. Also from point to point, and do the same step over here. from this point to that point, like this. After you complete this step, the next step is to open the sides and this side up, and also from here. So the next step is you'll take this point, you take this line and line it to there, like this. And same step over here. Take this point, line up in the middle, turn it over, do the same step over here. Grease. And after you complete this step, the next step is you will open this and open this. Okay. You will open from the sides and you crease like this, and also from here. And your rose is almost complete. If you want, you can put a stick over here, like a green stick, but I'll not show you that part in this video. I'll make another one if you want that. Comment below in the comment section and I will make it for you. Put your 2 fingers and tuck it inside like this. And now what you will do, you will rotate, put it on your hand, and you will start rotating it like this. You will rotate it like this. Keep rotating, keep rotating. Tuck this inside. Keep rotating, and you're almost done. Your rose is done. Give a few more folds. You will line the sides, and now what you'll do, you will shape the petals of the rose. And your origami rose is done. So guys, if you like my tutorial, make sure to give a like, subscribe and share with your friends. And if you're on Instagram, like my page. Thank you.